Morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to my another experimental vlog. And for today's experimental vlog, we'll be doing a measure of photosynthesis with floating leaves. And in order for us to do this experiment, we'll be using these materials. So these are the materials. This is a notebook and a pen. These measuring cups. I needed 300 ml. We need 300 ml measuring cups for water, and we've got 1/8 and 1/4 teaspoons. We got a puncher. We got a spinach leaves. We got spinach leaves and a syringe. We got 4 transparent cups, and then we got a marker, a tissue, baking soda, and a aluminum foil. First, we gotta label these cups. Two cups with. Wait, am I right first? Am I right? We're gonna label them positive baking soda, positive, 2 positive baking soda. See, positive. Then on these 2 cups, we'll be writing a negative baking soda. Negative baking soda. Forgot to mention, we also needed a dishwashing soap. So we got tig to two these. We got two positive baking soda, two negatives baking soda. Negative means no baking soda, and the positive has. So in 1 cup, in this 1 cup with positive baking soda, we put 300 ml of milliliters of water. So I put at 250. 250. Look, it's already full, even though it's only 250 ml. Then we need the 1/8 of teaspoon 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Is it full or is it salted? Let me salt it. Yep. Then we'll put the baking soda. It's a positive, right? Yes, it's a positive. And I'm lutangis for tonight. I'm lutangis. Then a drop of. I really wish I got a phone stand. Then we'll put a drop of dish soap. Dish soap liquid type of. A drop, just a drop. Boop. Alright. Then we'll mix. How do we mix without getting it bubbly? Yeah, we're gonna mix. Slowly mixing. Wait, let me use the 1/4. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There. I think wala ng baking soda. And then for the negative baking soda, which means no baking soda, we do the other way. We do the same but no baking soda. Is this the negative? Yeah, it's the negative. I mean, my cups, I bought the wrong cups. It's too small. My goodness. I will now cook. I hope this experiment won't go wrong. Another mistake. No, just a drop. Yes, just a drop. I think mas maraming drop dun sa may baking soda, but it's fine. Right, mix. Don't let it get a bubbles. Mix slowly. Go on, there we go. I think this angle is much better. Like look, now next. We'll be punching holes on this leaf, spinach leaf. Call it. Tagalog is alokbati leaves. I'll be right back. I might just punch holes or kaya I think must speed up the video. So, inulit ko yung ganito. Yung ganito ang ginawa. Inulit ko kasi di talaga, tinry ko ng una, tinest ko na kanina. And di gumagana. So, ito, gumawa uli ako ng mga butas. Finish ko uli. At, yan pa mga butas yan. So, di ba 10 yung 20 yung ginawa natin? 20 yung ginawa natin. Naglalagay ka dito 10. And then, once you push, we push it back, and we push back the plunger. We push the plunger back. And then, we're gonna suck out. Unahin natin yung positive baking soda. After you suck, dito, ano dito? Baking soda, solution. Lalabas mo yung mga hangin sa loob. Pagkalabas mo ng hangin sa loob, tatakpan mo ng thumb mo. Tapos hilahin mo. I-hold mo ng ganyan, tsaka i-shake mo. 10 to 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we put it back dahan-dahan. Tapos, as you can see, dapat magsisink silang lahat dito sa ano. Ngayon, pag nasink na silang lahat, dito sa walang tubig, na isa pang positive, lalagay mo siya dito sa, pinalagay ko. Upload mo muna ito, pakita sa inyo. Yeah, once that's done, we're gonna upload it with the aluminum foil. Wait, let me just turn off the lights for a sec. Yeah, all this stuff. Yes. Then after that, gagawin natin yung sa no baking. Kailangan mo lang ilaw eh. Kasi ang lakas ng ilaw. Para hindi siya photosynthesize habang gagawin natin tong isa. Tong isa, wala nang baking without baking soda na siya. So dito ulit, ganun ulit gagawin natin. 10 dito. Push. Dapat hindi sobra-sobra yung pag-push mo dahil di masisira. Para hindi masira yung dahon. Tapos dito naman, ito na yung negative baking soda. So do just like yung kanina, may baking soda. Ito, lalabas ulit natin yung hangin. Yan, tatakpan ulit. Then suck, lock, then shake. 10 to 15 seconds ulit. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So ganda ako pag 15 seconds. Ayan, pull them back. And as you can see, lahat sila nag-sync. That quickly. Pero pag hindi pa rin nagsisync sa inyo, pwedeng yung gawin yung suction method na yun. Ang paulit-ulit. So ito na, lalagay na, siguro keep the lights off muna. Can you see me? So dito tapos, paano ba kasi? Sa muli ilaw. Tapos pagkatapos niyan, lalagyan mo siya at least, dadagdagan mo ulit ito at least nasa 3 centimeters, 3 cm. Yeah, that's just about it. And I'll do the same with the positive one. I mean with the baking soda. So capture ko na. Hello. Do the same with the... Nung nakala ko, alam ko yung aluminum foil. Pero binasa ko ulit, yung pala tatakpan mo muna kasi bawal mailawan agad. I have this works this time. Sino best kong ginawa eh? Wait, am I using that right? Oh shit. I almost got cooked. So ito may baking soda. Baking soda at least 3 centimeters. Oh. Above 3 centimeters. Just above ano kasi ito. Yung sa akin ilaw. Ito, wait lang. Wala akong ilaw na ano. So iniram ko yung mga sa kapatid ko na ilaw. Yung nasa one. Oh wait, I created a phone. Shit. Sorry, minti. Then we'll... Ang bilis ko nang ginawa ito. And it still doesn't work. I think it's because ano, patay na yung dahon na nakuha ko. I think patay na nung nagamit ko pala. Hindi gamit ko na, patay na. It doesn't do anything. Dapat may bubbles na yan. Kakaroon na siya ng bubbles dahil sa ilaw. Doesn't look like they have. See? I'm gonna do this tomorrow. Bukas laging ko ulit ito. Guys. Good morning everyone. Ngayon, uulit ako kasi ano, kagabi lagi nagfi-fail siya lagi yung experiment ko. Ngayon bumili ako kanina. Meron na tayong measuring cup. It has 300 ml na milliliters. And I also got some spinach leaves na ulit. Bumili ulit ako. Ang oras na ba? It is 8:13. Weird. So, ulitin ko yung ginawa ko nun. Dahil nag-fail nga, walang tumataas eh. I feel ko, patay na yung dahon. Ito fresh. Kakabili ko lang. Sabi ng tindero, fresh daw. I hope it is. I think I bought two men. 15 pesos yun. Hey, 15 pesos. Bro, mga busang to. So we got punch holes. Mga 20. Dating, speed ito. Yan, 4. Ngayon ito, tig 10. 10 dito sa 10 dito at 10 dito, bali 20. Ready pala ako ng ano. Sige, ready ko na. So, put 300, since nung kagabi, hindi kasya dito 300 ml. Nagamit ako ng iba. Kasi lalagyan lang naman. Ang kailangan na transparent is yung may white, 4 na transparent. Mga 300. We're going to make this solution. Yan, 300 ml each. Then, baking soda. Naglagay din ako ng label sa ilalim. Pero, tapos may palatandaan ako. Ito positive dito. Anong kung saan yung positive? Okay, hindi. Ito yung 1.8, right? So, ito yung merong ano. Then, each merong a drop of dishwashing soap. Alright. Wait, di nyo kita na. So, ayan. Haluin natin hanggang sa mga dissolve yung soap. Tapos dapat hindi mag-foam. Yeah. And that's it. So ito yung positive, ito yung negative. Ito may palatandaan ako, nilagyan ko ng dot dun sa positive. Nilagyan ko din ng ano. Hindi ko bakit ko nilagyan ng, nagsulat pa ako sa ilalim. Hindi ko pala makaangat. Pinangat ko ba matap. So ito na, dito na tayo sa part na tatanggalin natin ng oxygen, oxygen, basta hangin. Here inside the disc. Two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna close. Oh shit, I think I broke it. Oh, I broke this one. Disc. I broke a disc. Okay pa tayo isa. Ito muna tayo. Yan. Tapos, babalik natin yung plunger. Yan, mga ganyan lang. Para baka makasip. Hindi dapat sobra-sobra. So, dito tayo sa positive muna. Yan. Resetting. Yan. Tapos, after that, dapat lumulutang sila. Yan, nakalutang sila. Tutulak mo yung mga yung lahat ng hangin sa loob. Then, tatakpan mo yung butas. Hila. Then, so, shake. Ganito lang pala, kahit huwag pala shake na shake. Gently, ano lang. Huwag patay yung cellphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, oh. Look. They are forming bubbles. Or is it just the soap? The drop of soap. And we're gonna do it like that. Then put the plunger back on. They all should sink. And they all sink. They all sunk. Wala nang this sa taas. After that, you gotta put them into the cup. Isang beses ko na nagawa. Tapos sa aluminum foil, I'm gonna use the aluminum foil to cover the cup. So that we needed to keep it dark. No light. I don't want light to excuse me. Don't want light to attract with it first. Wait. Hindi ako lang. I'm gonna make one more disc because nabawasan tayo ng isa. Wala kayong matanggal na kayo sandi. Alright, so we're just gonna do the same with the no baking soda. Now after that's done, we're done of putting the no, putting the negative baking soda cup. We'll add more. So this one is the positive, yes, the positive one. So we put the, careful not to make foams. Alright, this alright. And this one's for the negative. May notebook's getting wet. Alright, that's just about it. Okay. Let me close the door. More door space. Then I'll set up my light source. Alright. Just start the timer. Let me put these. There we go. Gotta mix it pala. I hope it works this time. Like for real. I really. Dapat di siya magkakadikit. Yan, kalat. Ito nagsasama. Dapat may mga umakyat at least 5 mga ganun. 50%. Dapat nagsasama sila. Wait, nagkaka-tornado. Kadikit yung dalawang diso. Ano? Kadikit. Yo, hindi ko rin naman kayo. Oh, kadikit yung dalawang diso. Na, magagawa kayo sa hilo. This one is good. Ba't iwalay eh? Gawin naman iwalay. Iwalay kayo. Ano yung iwalay? Stay strong. Wow. Sige. Fast forward naman dito. Or maybe kapag umaraw is maaraw. Maybe pag mas maaraw ba, pag umaraw, lalagay ko na lang sila sa labas para mas nakakaano ng heat. I think yung ilaw ng cellphone is mababa yung ano. Kaya lang nangyayari. Parang ilaw lang din sa bahay ganun. Oh, kahit bubbles, hindi nagkakon. Alright. I don't think it's okay enough. What time is it? It is 8:37. Galis pa ako mamaya. Let me check the... I guess that's fine. Sige nga, lalabas ko nga. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, these cats. Alright, let's stop the timer. And then we'll put them both outside. Because like, anong nangyayari kasi? Kagabi pa to. Maybe it's just the light. There's nothing wrong with the solution though, because I perfectly did it. And the discs, they said it was freshly. Is there something happening? Man, the sun is over there. I think this is enough. But I hope they phone bubbles. Oh shit, pinatapan ng ulap. No! Dude. Tapan sila ng ulap. Wala na, nalilim na uli. Tag-ulan kasi. Man, I guess we can walk. We'll stick to this light. Or maybe I'll open the lights on. You know, more brush, more lights. I swear there's nothing happening. Kahit gumawa lang sila ng bubbles, please lang. Oh, by the way, meron na pala akong foam stand. Yo, the sun has come back. Tingin mo. Put them outside. The timer still continues. Wait. I hope they absorb all the heat. This cat. Pwede. Oh! Yan, magbababad tayo dito. Can you see it? No. 10 minutes. Nothing's happening. Oh, it's getting hot. Put it in a right angle, so they will absorb the light. Where should I put this? Oh, I put them over there. Wait. Okay. Look. Put them over here para mas maganda. Doesn't really change. Pero ano, mas magandang position. May mas ilaw. No! Do not! Do not! No! 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 Baka inumin mo. Hindi pala. Itong pusan to. Oh, labis ka. Wait lang. Shh, no! Ano kaya yan? Kahilig. Oh no, mawala na naman yung araw. Bro, these clouds are thick. What do you want? Look at this snake. Oh, why am I filming the cats? Look at it. Oh! Oh, I missed it! It's been... Yeah, it's been That's 2. It's been 11 minutes and 3 of those already. Oh my goodness, I missed it. I didn't expect it. Oh, did you see that? 3 floats, 4 with this is the positive. That's oh, it floats 5. Oh my goodness, my notes. I forgot. I just edit it. Bro, 6. Oh, look, they're forming bubbles. Like before they float, they are. Oh, look. Can you see that? Can you see that? There's bubbles. There, that's oxygen. Look, it's gonna float. It's gonna float. Look. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh, okay. Take your time. Oh, I'm blocking the way. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. There we go. Okay, it's going up. Oh my goodness. Alright. And oh, it's going. It's going. Alright, that's the 7th. The 7th. Oh my goodness, the timer. I don't know what's the timer for. Oh, look, I believe approximately. They float every minute. Like, look, there's another one. Oh my god, it's success. Thanks to the sun. I come back. But in the negative one with no baking soda, doesn't seem to do something. Do anything. Okay, lahat sila nag-float. Bro, all of them float. So let's go. So it took me like 12 minutes. It took me 12 minutes to some this float, so like approximately, I don't know, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Then 10 minutes of light. Then one start to float up. Then every minute nag-float na silang lahat. So ito na lang with no baking soda. Ito na lang with no baking soda, but I don't think they're doing anything. Look. Oh no. Mawala naman yung araw. Bro, I completely missed the other 3. But I believe that every minute one should float up. That's in the video though. So I didn't even write in my lab notebook. Oh, can you see that? One leaf is forming a bubble. Man, the sun, please come back. Oh my goodness. I only need the sun. The heat of the sun. We need the heat of the sun. Bro, wala na. Yung araw kasi nagtatago. But I'm really happy by this when it turns out it actually worked. But this one doesn't do anything. Oh, kumapal na yung ulap. Man. So mas mabilis siyang mag-float dahil sa baking soda. Yeah, parang binubuhay pala yung baking soda. Tapos ito, negative baking soda. Ibig sabihin walang baking soda. But look, can you see that? That one disc over there is forming a bubble. Can you see it? Can you see it? Wait. Oh my god. Look, they're forming a bubble. I think I'm gonna let them be muna dito. Let the sun just come. Wait for the sun to come back. Alright, so we're done with this. We're done with the positive. Oh, there's no sun. But the timer still goes on. It's been 20 minutes. Minus 2. 18 minutes. Kasi, basta pag in-edit yung makikita ko. Ikaw nag-wait yun. Pusang to. Ano yan? Ano yan? Anong pusang to? Like, pinasok ko na sila kasi ala ng araw. And feel ko babagyo. I don't know. Alis pa ako mamaya. With no baking soda, anong nangyari? Kahit parehas ko silang binabad sa araw. Maybe mas matagal tong walang baking soda. And pinabilis na, mas bubilis nung meron. I should have started the timer nung ilagay ko sa araw. Anyways, anayin ko lang yun sa edit ko. Papakita ko lang sa edit ko. So, nung tumaas na yung 5, mas bumilis yung yung pagsunod-sunod din ng tumaas. Unang tumaas 3. Mabilis 1, 2, 3, tapos biglang yung 4 and 5, tapos sunod-sunod na silang tumaas, diba? Mabilis. Like less than a minute na yan for sure. Like every second ganun. Every second napakabilis. But, alright, dito ko na yayariin yung video na to. I hope you guys do learn something about dito sa ginawa ko. This is my third vlog dito sa YouTube. Bro, wala na kasing ilaw. Malakas yung araw. Doesn't work with any light. Kahit ganyan, doesn't really work that well. Sa araw, yung araw kasi yung pinaka main source ng energy. Uy, alam niyo naman kung ano yung photosynthesis, di ba? Ito we measure, that's why there's a timer. So every, like, I don't know, I don't really measure it with the time, but pero titignan ko kapag in-edit ko. So with baking soda, it succeed. They all float. But with no baking soda, even bubbles don't form. Pero may nagpo-form dun sa isang disk, and isa lang siya. Kahit sabay sila ng baking, kahit sabay ko silang nilagay sa araw. And that's all about it. Bumili pa ako nito. Wala kasi. Di kasi hanggang 250 lang yung measuring cup na nabili ko. And yung baso maliit. Sabi ko nga maliit. Hindi nagkasya 300 ml. Dun sa para gumawa ka ng solution, meron talaga sinusukat na solute. Oh wait, am I solute solution? Yeah, solution yung product, and then the solution factors then is solute tsaka solvent. And dapat may sinusukat talaga na gano'n. Ay, pusang gala. Umihi. What are you doing? Little cat. Oh, she's shitting. Huwag ka tumae dito. Look at this cat. Dito ka tumae. Yan. Ang kulit. Against the light. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Again, I hope you guys learned something. Send the link below so you could watch the video that yung pinang base that I based on bad English, pero kailangan talaga English. So okay na. Yeah, thanks for psych. We're still doing the negative baking soda. No, so why not both? Alright, we'll do the positive again. I'll do the positive again because I know, lumubog sila. Lagyan natin sa maaraw ngayon, nakala ko uulan. Let's see. Oh, these cats. Alright. Put them right here. And I hope they still do what they do. I hope they still active for photosynthesis. Yung photosynthesize. Still watching them. That yung negative lang eh. Pero tingnan natin yung positive. Pag ginawa natin yung measure, start naman na yung timer. Ayun o. Yun o. Bumubula ulit. Dito sa negative. Iliwalay nga natin. Ang kulit naman pusan to. Get out. This cat. Ang init. Look. They're forming bubbles. Tingnan natin kung gaano katagal kailangan nila nung init. Tsaka mas mabilis silang nagano sa init ng ilaw. The sun is dito siya ngayon, which is where's it? Oh, it's still bright. One floats. This one float. Ayun, oh, can you see that? Can you see that? They are forming bubbles. This one is negative. Negative na to. Yung mga negative na to. Ito nag-float ulit, oh. Tatlo rin nandito. And dito, float pa lang. Let's see. Oh, it's not that quick though. Hindi katulad nito, which is apat na agad. Kaka-apat na agad to. And this one, just one. Oh, are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? It's moving. Where is it? I can't capture it. Hey, I'm sorry. Oh, tatlo na yung tumas. Just let it like this. Hindi ko nalilist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yun na nagbubula, oh. Sa init ng araw yan, sa energy ba? Galing sa araw. Photosynthesize pa rin sila. Ito pa kompleto na. Oh wait, bad angle. Kompleto na. Pero dito, pabula pa lang. Ay, tumaas na isa. Di pa pala, apat pa rin yun. Yep, come on. Ang daking bubbles, oh. Pero ang tagal nilang umangat. Tatlo pa rin ang nasa taas. Umangat na pala. Ay, umangat na. Hindi na siya sa taas. Umakyat. Hindi ka na sa taas. May nakarang ba sa taas? Eh, hindi. Nakano pa rin siya. Slant. Init dito sa labas. Ibig sabihin, mamayang gabi, napakalakas ng ulan. This has no baking soda ito. Ay, napat na silang nasa taas. So, mayroong baking soda. Gusto tumataas. I just finished eating. Did I do something? Nangungulit yung mga pusa ko. Oh, siya ang lobat. Lobat na pala ako. Oh, wala na.